Kristen Joy Marcito. Pateros.
Yes, of course. There's a lot of queens who also has towering heights, no? Especially in this year edition. And I can say, para makapagpuksaan sa kanila, I would have to stand out, not just because of my height, but because of my personality, of how I bring myself, how I project on the stage, and how I bring my all-over aura. And that is something I'm working on. I want to stand on the stage, bringing a very strong, elegant, and fierce aura. I could say that the book that I would recommend is Know Your Limits. This is something that I've been reading this past few days, and it really reflects a lot. It really resonates with me because a lot of us people has this times in our lives where we limit ourselves. And onto this book, there's a quote saying that the only person who is limiting you is yourself. And that is one thing that I realized, that I am my own enemy. That I cannot let myself limit my own. And that is when I realized that I need to stand up. I need to step up more. And that is something that I want to do, that I want to be limitless. And that is what I am doing right now, to be limitless.